Hi, Tristan. I'm going to give you some feedback on your portfolio. I see you've made some changes. Now, when I give you feedback, if it's in a video, if you could just leave the video, that'd be great because I can't remember if I did. And if I didn't, then that's not good. But if I did, I'd like to know when that was there. And I don't, oh, you kept it there. Ah, I see it. Okay, great. So I'm just looking at the changes you've made. You've got the link to the actual the. I don't think that's actually not the reflection. That's your result, right? That's your plagiarism document. So we probably wouldn't call that reflection. We just call it the Gen A activity, which you did a very good job on. And then we have the Gen AI reflection, which is in more detail here, and that's pretty good detail, a reasonable detail. You now have your lesson personal project. So build a chatbot that detects language writing and offers paraphrasing for educators. Okay, that's interesting. Could be organized. Well, could be a little bit like the format's pretty basic, but you have a plan, so that's good. You've got your in-class contributions, which I can just go on the side here. Are yeah, they're just fine. And you were supposed here, yeah, explain paper, okay, which PDF format, high confusing sections. Okay, nice. Okay, so it's allows you to explain difficult sections in a paper, be very useful. So other than the project seems a little bit far behind, I would say you're kind of like at the A minus area if I were to give something. And again, you make your own decisions, but that just trying to give you a sense of what I'm thinking, but I can easily be convinced. You did a thing on student learning and the benefits and challenges, and yeah, it's long. That's what I was looking for. You have a reflection here about what you did, and you learned different tools, and that's very detailed, actually. That's excellent. So I'd say that's A quality work. You have bias in writing bot. So, okay, now you've used the planning thing. So you have a very good plan. Um, so there's that. Now, a plan's a good idea, but obviously you've got to get going on what you would like to do. And yeah, so it looks like you've done a nice reflection. You've got a good in-class contribution, so looked at that, and you've got a converts written text into spoken voice recordings, which can be used for print. Okay, so that's nice. So you've met all the expectations there, so that's good. We've got the information literacy skills. You've generated the skills that would be important. You have you're following a nice little formula here. We're doing the reflections, and I can see. Yep. Okay, so you've done all of that. And then it looks like you ran out of steam here in week 3, so I don't see anything with the project or in-class or community contributions. And then you've got information. Yeah, so mostly you haven't done anything past week 2. So yeah, you definitely want to catch up 3, 4, 5. So you're probably about 15 hours behind in work. So yeah, you want to get going on that.